Alright, y'all, so this is what I had for lunch today. This is my favorite food truck, and I used to get the mild wings with the fries. They did not have the mild sauce, so I had to get lemon pepper. I do not like lemon pepper, y'all. The wings was good, but I ain't like the lemon pepper sauce, so I ended up giving the chicken wings to my kids. I was very disappointed because I had a taste for them mild wings. But anywho, I still like the food truck. I'm just gonna stick to what I always get. But yeah, this is what I had for lunch. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Go to our channel and watch some of our videos. Peace.